Coates, 9100, coming at you. Still here in St. Augustine, down here at the St. Johns County Pier, here in St. Augustine, over here on the beach, right here on the ocean. Figured I'd come down here for a little bit, just down the road from the lighthouse, so, you know, $2 to get out here on the pier. It used to be like $1, and I guess they went up $1. But another nice spot here in St. Augustine. Many spots St. Augustine's got. Parking's free. I'm parked over there. I don't know if you can't really see my van. It's behind that building. Behind that building there. So. But a lot of rock there. $6 if you want to fish. If you want to come out fishing on the pier, it's $6, and then it's only $2. You're just sightseeing, coming out, walking around. It's a nice day. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's just right. It feels good. I'm not sure how long this pier is. I don't think it's as long as the one in Naples. I think it's shorter. The one in Naples, I think it was 1,000 feet. I think it was longer than this one, I know that. But it's a nice one, it's good size. A lot of people fishing out here. We're out here in the water. And here. It's quite a view. Quite a view out here on the end of it. Here's the lighthouse off in the distance. Just barely see the lighthouse. See it? Let's see if I can. The lighthouse is way over there. Ah, nice day. What a nice day. You know, not too hot, not too cold. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Still enjoying St. Augustine, a few more days here. And then we'll be moving, I believe, south. Alright, talk to y'all later.